5 activists who are currently in house arrest, and this after the Pune police had basically conducted nationwide raids and arrests on 10 activists, out of which 5 had actually been arrested and the rest were just interrogated. Their homes were raided. Now, NDTV has actually accessed the police document in the case of these 5 activists who had and are still arrested. The police had claimed that there were a number of issues and controversies and events that they were behind. And now we are asking the question about whether these are facts or hype. The key charges that the police has actually made through the public prosecutor in court, they're missing in the document, in the police document, which is all about what you give and what you show when an arrest is actually made. Dramatic oral claims are missing in the paper, and my colleague Shruti has all the details.
Now that all the arguments that were made in court, the tall claims made by the public prosecutor about the letters that she read out in the court yesterday, which in fact was a big part, a large part of the prosecution's arguments yesterday, has not found any mention in the remand report. The Bhima Koregaon violence has not found any mention in the remand report. So these things will actually make it a big task for the Pune police to actually prove and bring out evidence against the 5 people who've been accused right now, because on by September 5th is when the Pune police has to present, the state has to present the evidence against the 5 accused, and 2 days after that, the accused get an opportunity to file a rejoinder. A rejoinder is a response that they file to the allegations or evidence presented against them. So it's actually going to be tricky for the Pune police now that we've seen that there is actually no substance to the Maoist plot. Police and the public prosecutor mentioned in the court yesterday. I would also like to point out that in the remand report, it mentions that the accused are active members of the CPI Maoists. Now, according to a judgment in 2011, which was passed by Justice Katju, it clearly mentions that mere membership of a banned outfit cannot lead to incrimination of anyone until and unless that person is proved to have been a part of the act of violence. So that particular claim in itself is tarnished by this particular judgment that was passed by Justice Katju in 2011.